Here comes the bride, all dressed in a bathrobe and toilet paper, which honestly I really shouldn't be using like this. That's a valuable resource. Anyways, what is up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. If you're anything like me, you haven't taken off your bathrobe in days because, well, we can't go anywhere. Anywhoosie, back in the good old days when we were allowed outside, you guys remember Justin Bieber and Hailey Bieber got married. And Kylie Jenner showed up and low-key stole the show in this. I just remember thinking that was like one of the prettiest dresses I've ever seen. So I thought, you know, I gotta make it. But I never did. So I thought, you know, maybe I could make it today. So we'll see what we can do. And that'll be that. So without further ado, here we go. Making Kylie Jenner's gold dress for cheap. Here we go. I'm literally gonna like fold this up and use this for later. Anyways, so like I said, this is the dress that we're gonna try and recreate. You can see it's long and luxurious and gold, and Kylie just looks literally so good. Wow. So usually I would show myself going out to shop for like the materials, but we're gonna go shopping in my closet because yeah. So let's see. By the way, yes, here's my room. It's a little bit messy. Isn't this beautiful? This has nothing to do with anything, but I really just love this painting. Anywhoosie. So, alrighty, in the closet, yes, we need a gold dress. Again, usually I would dig through everything and try to find something, but I already found it earlier. But I'll show you some of the other options that I had picked out earlier. I thought maybe I could make it out of this, but this fabric, like, wasn't gonna work. This was too thin and short, and I just didn't think that was good. This was also too short. You know, this is cool, but it's not even gold. I actually don't have that much gold clothes, which is weird. Gold's like my favorite color, and I don't have that much gold. I even thought this could have maybe been fun, but I was like, A, I don't want to cut this up, and B, I have no idea how I would do that. So this is the one I ended up using. So here you can see the dress that I ended up picking. It is gold and silky and shiny and fabulous. Believe it or not, I did literally just have this in my closet. I have a lot of weird things in my closet. Got this from Shein. It was 25 bucks. I got it for New Year's and then decided I didn't feel like wearing it. But anyways, you can see, there it is. So, yeah, this is what we're gonna use. I also had that other gold one from Dubai, but I was like, I cannot find that anywhere. I don't know where it went, so. Anyways, alrighty, let's craft. Side note, honestly, bathrobes are really a vibe. I would wear a bathrobe outside like every day if that was allowed. Maybe I'll start a new trend when quarantine is over. Alrighty, so just like any good DIY, of course you need a solid before shot. So here it is, before. Ta-da! You can see, honestly, it's not like tragic, and the fabric is gorgeous, like I've said, but it's just, you know, kind of ill-fitting, kind of not that great. I had a good time trying it on, though. You can see I've clearly been in quarantine way too long, but anywhoosie, so, yes, that is the before. So, what do you need for this project? Actually, obviously, you need a dress that you're going to use. Then, all we're gonna do for this one is we got some handy-dandy scissors and some needle and thread, you know, just like the good old-fashioned days. So, yeah, drum roll, please. That is what we're going to use. Side note, I've been having to do my nails myself lately, and aren't these press-ons fire? Thank you, Kiss Nails. We love that. So, link those in my description if you're curious. But, alrighty, so, first things first, you can see this is the top of the dress, and we're going to want to make our dress look like that. So, hers is sleeveless, so we're gonna chop off one of the sleeves here. Just snip, snip. There we go. No sleeve. Just like that. Magic. Push that other sleeve to the side. We'll use that for something later. So you can see now we have a one sleeve wonder. Love it. Also, we're gonna go ahead and make this a little bit more of a deeper V. So we're going to stitch that up so it is all lowered like so. Haha, like so, get the pun? Anyways, needle and thread, and then we're going to stitch that part together so it stays like that. Over, under, just like Mama taught ya, until it is all sewn together. Look at that, groovy. But you can still see hers is more low cut, so we're gonna make it even more low cut. Woo! I love this project, very me. So, what we're gonna do is we're actually going to chop the sleeve at the top here, so it is in two separate parts. We're gonna actually go ahead and take the sleeve that we weren't using, and basically I just stitched the arm in between the two pieces. You can see now the arm is attached to the front piece, which we're gonna attach to the back piece, so now the V is hella low. Woohoo! We're gonna sew the back piece there. Great, groovy. Okay, so stitch that in, dun dun dun, again, lots of stitching, and ba-doom. We're on to something, kids. So now we're gonna deal with the other side, and what we're going to do is actually barely anything at all.
this literally looks like magician work, but basically you can see here's the sleeve. We're not gonna cut it. All we're going to do is just fold it differently across to the front here, tuck that in a little bit, fold it over, cross that, doop-de-doo, conceal the area where we had cut the other thing. And yeah, that was literally magic, but that's literally all we did. So now all the places that we folded it, we're gonna wanna stitch those together so they stay in place and don't fly off in the middle of wherever you're going, which is nowhere because we're staying at home being responsible citizens. Don't worry, we'll get back to the mall someday, kids. But for now, we're just gonna go ahead and stitch those areas together. Again, needle and thread, dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, so much sewing. So much sewing. Haha. I have too much time on my hands to think of puns. Alrighty.
Hello, baby. You're so cute. George is so bored of having me home all the time. Boop, boop, boop. Love you.
Like poor little pumpkin, all I do is dance with him all day and harass him because he's so cute. Oh my God. I love this little man. And now would be a great time to subscribe to my channel for more wonderful content. Self-promo. Also follow my Instagram while we're at it. That'll be fun. And also my Twitter because honestly, especially being in lockdown, I've just been free to lose my mind on the internet publicly. So, you know, really fun. Anyways, all right, back to business. So, yes, now we're going to do Miss Kylie's skirt. So you can see it is a high-low skirt here, kind of crisscrossed there. So this dress, luckily enough, already had a slit in it, which was very convenient. So we're going to take this puffy little underskirt thing. I actually got this in Thailand, but I didn't throw that under the dress so it goes more outwards, kind of like Kylie's does. And then we're going to do a little bit more weird magician work. So basically, you can see I'm just going to take it and fold it under that. So it kind of creates the more of a defined look there. Like you can see I threw a pin in that so you can see how it's gonna stay. And then all you're gonna do is stitch those little pieces again where you draped it together. This isn't really the greatest actual tutorial in the world, but I figure no one's actually gonna do this, so just go with it. This is purely for entertainment anyways. So once you've completed all your magician work, dun da da da.
This really doesn't look like anything, but when it's on, it's going to be fabulous. So, alright, let's try it on.
So you can see that actually didn't really take me very long. It is actually still daylight, which is a miracle because usually it's pitch black when I finish my videos. But we're gonna go ahead and pick out some spicy-licious shoes. Grabbed a big solid diamond ring because diamonds and toilet paper, what an aesthetic. Some dangly pearl earrings to keep us feeling glamorous. Of course, a crystal-y bag because Kylie had one and also why not? And now, drum roll please. Da-na-na-na-na, here's the before one last time. Here we go.
Alrighty, you guys ready for this? Oh my God, Kylie who? You can see it honestly came out pretty good. The top is a little bit revealing, but I mean, we're modeling our outfit after a Kardashian Jenner, so you know. The skirt didn't come out half bad either. It's not as outwardly fluffy as Kylie's, but you know, it's not too bad. We got the asymmetrical high-low thing kind of going. Ooh. I tried to do my hair like her, but not really to much avail. Grabbed a glittery bag like her, so we could really complete the look, and honestly, ooh. Ready to come to your wedding, Justin? Baby, 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 ooh, like baby, 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 woo, you look so good. This is low-key what I would wear to my own wedding.
It's obviously not perfect. I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to stuff like this. I'm just a girl in my house doing whatever. But you can see I tried to mimic some of Kylie's pictures just for a good laugh, so they're not terrible. Not quite as good as Miss Kylie's, but you know, for a dupe, it's all right.
Like, it just looks so glamorous, don't you think, George? He agrees. I have literally nowhere to go because, like I said, we're quarantined in our house, but you know, maybe I'll wear this the next time I have to go to the drugstore. I mean, drugstore as in pharmacy, by the way, obviously, but you know, anywhoosie. Oh my God, the glamour. Do you love it, honey bear? You love it so much. Oh, like a Greek goddess. Like, this is literally such a showstopper. Show-stopping, show-stopping. Oh my God, the glamour. The most glamorous bathroom selfie ever. Overall, I would say we frickin' nailed it. So there you have it, you guys. That was me turning a $10 dress into Kylie Jenner's gold dress. That's what we're gonna call it. Hope you guys loved it. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff. And if you have any more ideas for things for me to make, please send them my way because I always need some new creative juices, especially since we're locked in our houses. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so very much. And don't forget, literally anything in your closet can be freaking fabulous. As long as you know how to DIY it. You just gotta get creative. Have fun. Till next time, sweet angels. XO. God, I hope no one watches these till the end.